I don't think he even knows.
Hurry, you just have to touch the ordinate, which is really easy.
It's harder.
I'm deleting this. This and this are deleted. You're dumb.
Okay.
Oh, dang it. Tag me. I admit it. Alright.
Got it. I
Over
touched.
there. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna make sure nobody goes
I
here,
touched
alright?
it.
Make sure they don't.
Make a leap.
Hey. Okay, you can take that. I could see if they touch the ground or not. And Purple, this is your last chance. I see you
Okay.
touch the floor.
Okay, this is my last chance.
You touched the ground. You touched the ground.
Oh.
Yeah, you did. I'm going to kill you. You did. Yeah, you did. All right, just go to the areas that are already deleted. All right. Yeah, give it to Tender. I'm gonna put you in the fire.
You should delete
I'm not deleting this. These three are the ones that are on the floor. These three are deleted. Whoops, sorry. This might seem crazy.
my headset is about to die.
I swear to God. Yo,
This
just-
one seems. Oh, I think
You can't get.
I saw you touch the ground.
No, I didn't. Didn't I? That sounds like a lie to me.
You touched the ground.
Dude, you just I did it. I got you just touched the floor. You just touched the floor. Yo, if he touches it, then you touch this.
No, I didn't.
You on the power side?
Oh, you touched the floor. You touched the floor.
I just wanted to play.
You want free chicken nuggets?
So, I delete this.
What do you delete?
My lord, you so dumb.
What did he do?
Oh, you deleted that?
He deleted what? He deleted the thing in the middle. He deleted the thing in the middle.
Yeah.
Don't
Wait, what did he delete again?
You
I'm a
deleted
big leap of faith.
You want free chicken nuggets?
Hey, can't he delete the train?
What the hell is your mind, man? What
Guys,
the hell?
when you make it,
Guys,
when
can
you
you
make it,
delete
stay
the
here.
train?
When you make it, stay here. When you make it, stay on the back.
But I want to try this jump and see like. No. This is the
He
story.
touched
This is
it.
the end. Wait, bro. That's a monkey.
That's a monkey.
Then I go into this one. Gingerbread box. Wait, I will try to make this. Pull me out.
I delete that.
Dude, you could get me a spicy train.
What did you delete?
Imagine he deleted those things. What did he delete? Yeah. What did he delete?
Yeah. This.
Delicious.
Yo, what is he doing over there?
What did he delete?
Oh,
He's eating. I didn't know what he deleted.
I
know what he deleted. Oh, what's deleted? I don't know what's deleted.
The Santa.
That's it? No.
Yeah. And this. And this. The Santa and this.
Let's go.
Yeah, you did.
good job.
No, I didn't.
Like mustard and
I'm
ketchup.
actually good at the game. That's crazy.
We're like mustard and ketchup, bro.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
This is mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard.
And now we got ketchup.
And green is relish.
What?
Yeah, relish.
Relish.
You got relish? You don't know what
Oh, dang it. I admit it. Tag me.
No, he's
Tag me.
ranch. He's ranch.
Tag me.
He's
Tag
Oh
me.
yeah, ranch. He's ranch. He's ranch. This kid's ranch.
He's ranch.
Who's black then? Who's black?
He's pepper. Black is pepper.
Why'd you tag? Why do I need to tag everybody? Because of
Yo,
you.
what happened? What happened?
You tagged me. That's what happened.
Whoa.
Black is pepper.
Black is pepper, bro. You're racist, man. You chicken nuggets.
First, I delete.
Three chicken nuggets.
I delete the 10th. No. I delete. this right here.
Like, why is everyone so dumb, bro? Like, I don't understand.
I'm not dumb. I'm smart.
I saw
Whoa,
you
I
touch the
almost ran
ground.
Oh shucks.
Everybody! No! I actually get tagged here. You're not good.
Bro, you're dog water. Bro, you're dog water in this game.
Bro,
You're winning because of your mom?
I made
Bro,
it. He's just
hey,
chasing me.
You.
He's
You're
assaulting
dark
me.
ketchup. You're dark
bro, you're not black, so why are you talking?
Yo, 1 second. Yo, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Nugget? You want free chicken nuggets?
Bro, you're dog water in this game.
Nobody.
Where'd he go, guys? He's
Do you
nowhere
want
to be
some
seen.
chicken nuggets?
At least I
Delete.
didn't tag anybody. You will if you
You
stop.
want free chicken nuggets? You want free
Okay, what do you delete?
Okay, bro, just okay.
What do you
Either shut
delete?
the hell up or just go to
Now
inside.
I delete this.
And delete
Delete
this.
that.
Wait.
I saw you touch
How
the
did you make it
ground.
there so fast?
Yo, don't snitch, bro. Nobody tagged me.
Don't switch too.
What's
Yeah,
deleted?
bro.
What's deleted? I'm sorry, I'm not
That's
thinking
no
this.
This and this.
And this.
Yes.
I made it.
Go, hurry, go. Now what is happening?
Guys, do you think the lava monkey is dog water at the game?
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna get stuck. I'm gonna go in
It's
jail.
about to die.
I'm in jail.
My headset's at 5%,
Help.
so hurry up.
Help.
Snitchers get stitchers.
Ah,
Yeah.
Don't snitch.
no, snitchers get sneakers.
Where are you going? Are you lost?
No, snitchers get sneakers.
Snitchers get
Ah.
touch you find Snickers.
Hey, yo.
Snitchers get
Stop.
Okay, what do you delete?
Now we delete this.
Easy.
I did it. That's what I do.
Got it. First.
What the hell?
I can't climb.
What is my guy playing?
Yo, I touched it.
Me too. I touched it.
Yes, I did. I touched it. But you touched the ground.
Breathe away.
I
Breathe
touched
away. Let him get tagged. Breathe away.
Yo,
Ah.
I saw you touch it.
Yo.
Swear to God, I touched the goddamn purple.
Yeah.
I saw you touch the ground.
Ooh, run!
No, I didn't. You touched the ground.
I didn't.
No, you're gonna. What are you doing? You're touching the ground. Why the fuck you touching the ground, man? Dude, no one was taking. Gotcha.
Whoa.
No. Stay right there. I'm gonna choke you.
This guy is so dumb.
Like,
Oh my god.
I'm telling your papa, amigos. No, stop speaking Spanish.
He's in competitive.
Oh, look at mustache.
Never mind.
Oh, look.
Where is he?
Anything or you die.
Where are you, White?
I die. So you want to hear something, bro? Christmas.
White! I found White! Get him! Where'd he go?
No, he's waiting. Yo, what I just did? Like, what did you Okay, if you say the full word, I'm actually gonna report you. If you say a full word. My God, your mom is so fat she crashed all the servers. Your mom is so fat she turned to a pyramid.
Then how's this one still alive?
And that's the end of the
Guys, just get tagged
video.